When participating in a zipper merge near a construction zone, drivers should merge as early as possible, change lanes immediately, stay in their lane until the point of merge, force their way into traffic. The answer is merge as early as possible. Here is why. The driving procedure to follow when you see a lane closed ahead sign is to stay in your initial lane up to the point of merge. You should then take turns with other drivers to safely and smoothly ease into the remaining lane.